Everyone, in this series, we're going to be building a beginner-friendly multi-page Android app using Android Studio. So this will come with input fields, sounds, navigation, and even custom icons. I'll give you guys a quick preview of what the app looks like. Some features include having a button sound. So every time you click on a button and navigate to the next screen, there is a little sound that plays out. You can also pass in your name and it'll show up in different fields within the different apps. And you've also got a scroll view on the second page. And the last page is just your contact screen. So this is basically just like a little portfolio that you can share with your friends, or even you can customize it and share it for work. So let's get started on creating this project. If you already have an existing project open, you can simply navigate to the top, click on New Project, and you'll be taken to this screen over here. From here, we're going to be clicking on the empty views activity. Click on Next, and I'll give this name um, my portfolio app, and we're going to stick to the default settings for whatever is on here. So we'll stick to Kotlin as a language, keep the minimum SDK as API 24. If you click over here, it'll show you all the devices that it'll work with. So roughly for Android 7.0, you can see that it works on at least 98.6 devices, which is pretty good for us. All right, and then when you're done, click on Finish, and we'll get this new project set up. All right, so when you do have your project all set up, you'll notice that you've got the main activity.kt here. This is your Kotlin file. This is where a lot of your backend coding will happen. And another file that is opened up here for you is the activity underscore main XML file. This is mostly where you'll create your UI and your layout. So I do want to walk you through some of the folders that are here. If you go into the Kotlin and Java folder here, you'll notice that you've got this package. And if you click into it, that's where you'll find mainActivity.kt. And if you look over here, there is another folder called Res. Res stands for resources. This is typically where you would put your images, your sounds. So if you click into the drawable folder, you'll notice that it's got this launcher background. This is your default app icon. If you click into the layout, this is where you'd place your layout files. So this is the default one for main activity. So this is like your main screen. And you have a few other files here. Here is typically where you replace the default app icon. You've also got other files like colors, strings, you got themes, and I guess I could show you the Android manifest file. So here are some of the rules that you've got for your app. As you can see that over here, you've got the main activity file. So this points to this Kotlin file, and this lets it know that this is the main, and this is the first thing that would launch once you open up your app. So in the next video, we'll build the welcome screen with the name input, a button, and a text display. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.